Yo, what's up, man? This is another mini restoration project from DJChilltastic. I have some True Blue 3's that I recently picked up thanks to Air Pacquiao off of ISS. What I wanted to do is to retouch the cement print, and I'm going to show you guys how you can do that. It's pretty basic shit, and it makes your shit look hella new, dude. So here are the True Blue 3's. Yep, see how nice ass pair of 2001 True Blue 3's. Oh, fucking scuff right there. I'll fix that next video. But yeah, pretty clean. Got them today, actually tonight. Yeah, this is what I want to do to it. I mean, it may not look, you know, like it doesn't even need restoring, but I'm going to show you guys one thing. Right there is where it needs retouching. Also, here. And also on the top, you can see some fading, so you might want to fix that up. We also got some right here that's thinning out. It's losing its paint. And the air, I might want to retouch that probably in a new video. And let's see the flaws on these. Yeah. Right there. Right there. There and right here. So this is what exactly I'm going to show you guys what to use, and one of them is this. I don't even know, I just got it from my brother. But you need the same tip as this right here. That type of tip. That's for the fat areas. If you want to go for precision, I'm gonna show you another marker. Commonly used and Sharpie for very thin points. It doesn't really look like it's a difference, but you know, you'll see. Yeah. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. I mean, if you already know what to do, then don't even bother watching, but this is for the people that don't know. Yeah. Take a quick look at it. So we're gonna start on fixing it right now.
Remix is on like shit. It don't matter what you own in this bitch. What? You playing with your nose, sipping on bar, rolling purple. Long as you want and you feeling good, it's good. Long as you want and you feeling good, it's good. Long as you want and you feeling good, you still feeling like, man, I wish a nigga would.
I'm getting high in this bitch, is you really on? Here's some grapes that you smoking, what you really on? I'm on an 8 and a quarter ounce of grapes, a shot of Patron, and I ain't even 8. They say fast when you started smoking. Get out my face, cousin, I was born and raised in Oakland. By daddy from the north, get me on too. If you from the north and you was smoking, you was on too. I'm feeling great, I'm feeling fine. My OG homie, he just broke down the line. So what? Grow up, little nigga, that's grown man shit. You still throw up on your liquor. I ain't encouraging y'all to be stoners, but This song right here is for the owners. A nigga hate choking mouth like Homer. Drama you don't want it, my mama put that on her.
The remix is on like shit. It don't matter what you own in this bitch. What? You playing with your nose, sipping on bar, rolling purple. Long as you on and you feeling good, it's good. Long as you on and you feeling good. The remix. Long as you on and you feeling good, you still feeling like, man, I wish a nigga would.
Right there.
And I got high, slowed up lines.
Gotta let that dry out.
We boss up, doing it hundreds. Always drunk and always blind. Got blunts, got weed. If you got it, blaze it up. Got a pop, pop, pop on that sticky green stuff. I don't do it for the suckers, but I do it for the street. In the concrete jungle, in the belly of the beast. Put that on the G call. Man, I live by the mile. Man, the haters gon' hate, cause they doing they job. Overdose, the boy don't learn. Take a Newport, dip it in Sherm. Post it all day, right here where the thugs be. Crush up a pill, right in my Hennessy. Speakers bumping, can't hear my phone. If anybody asks, tell them turf on.
Long as you on and you feeling good, it's good. Long as you on and you feeling good, it's good. Long as you on and you feeling good and you still feeling like, man, I wish a nigga would.
Yo, my kids face on and I'm zoning. Both of them kicked in, 2 in the morning. Stone in the mud, give me Henny or the Remy. I hit that liquor store, I don't spend a penny, get it in me. Hey, in me if you need me, gather round. I'm up now and I ain't laying down and I ain't playing around. Was super smacked up. Drop a tuck if a nigga act up.
That's how you do it. Look at him. You just scroll down. Actually, no, you can just rewind the video and see how bad it was earlier. How bad this cement print was actually.
You're playing with your nose, sipping on bar, rolling purple. Long as you on and you feeling good, it's good.
Pretty much resurfaced. Retouch. Looks brand new.
Sitting in the trap house waiting on a drop off. Your girl in the
may
room
take some skill because you might fuck up. I'm just saying. Anything.
Got that pure uncut coat. All the hoes choosing, I'm refusing.
I kind of did a little ookie right there. But nevertheless, pretty much how you resurface the shoes. Pretty much how you fix up the cement print. For those of y'all who think they're fake, you might want to think again.
Everybody on in the bay, but they know what's up. Ask them who the niggas is. Everybody know what's up. Like shit. Ain't a motherfucker I can trust.
If you guys have any questions, hit me up, give me a message. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll show you guys more vids. Thanks.
Like my chain and my watch, shit I stay on. Well, that's what you expect, nigga. My big homie beast on. Southeast shit been poppin' since the eye. Seeing stars in the sky like it's 4th of July. Been up all night, I ain't been to sleep yet. Couple ounces in the bone, laying next to the bed. Face dripping sweat like I played in the game.